Good morning students, this is Shiba. Now we are going to see about the microprocessor and microcontrollers unit 3 IO interfacing. So in our previous session we have detailedly discussed about all types of interfacing that are available in this 8086. For example, memory interfacing, IO interfacing, ADC, DAC and timer interface, DMA controller, interrupt controller, keyboard display interface, everything we have seen in detail. This interfacing is common to the microprocessor as well as microcontroller, for example 8051. So talking about the real-time applications and case studies of this interfacing, we have many applications in our real-time life. From that, we are just going to discuss about the 5 major application case studies like traffic light control, LED display, LCD display, keyboard display interface, alarm controller. What is meant by this traffic light control? Yes, traffic light is one of the major real life example which we see in our daily life. Whenever we go from a place to some other place, we have signal in the area which has 3 colors: red, green and yellow. So what is this? Red means it needs to wait, stop. Green means you can go, and yellow is for waiting. So this is the major application of traffic light. Have you ever noticed this traffic light works under the 8086 interfacing? Yes, this traffic light consists of 12 numbers. As I have mentioned now, 3 colors with 12 numbers on 4 sides: south, east, north, west and PWR, pedestrian walk. Okay, but what is the application here? Yes, if I am waiting in one side, my signal is blocked and the traffic seconds will be moving. For example, 30 seconds or 25 seconds they are declaring. So I need to wait. Free left will be given at that moment. Walkers will be crossing. So this is the application. Means I need to write a program. I need to interface my 8086 with the traffic light interface for getting these inputs of 4 sides, each side with the wait duration of 30 seconds, going duration of 30 seconds, and so I need to write a program getting all this input. I can set the delay according to the application I need. The delay cannot be a fixed one, it can be reprogrammed. So this is the one of the major application of our traffic light. You can see the program available here based on the input I have chosen. And moving to the next example of LED display. LED means we know that light emitting diodes. It is the most commonly used component for displaying. You can see the LED display in all the display devices like alarm devices, timers, mouse click. LED light and all blinking will be there. You might have noted. Yes, what is the connection lying behind this? This LED is interfaced to the microprocessor port for displaying. Whenever this condition is satisfied, the LED will be start blinking, and whenever the condition completed, it goes to the low. Yes, so that is one of the major real-time implementation which you can see in our daily life. So pin assignments corresponding to this LED interface is given here. Digital outputs, you can take the digital output, you can make pin high to LED on and pin low for LED off conditions. So this is the interfacing diagram for that, and corresponding program for LED display, which is very easy program. First you will be initializing the pin and you will be giving the output, you will be giving the condition and delay for which the LED has to be blinked, and after completion of the delay it again goes to the first condition and LED will be switch off. So this is the program for LED interface. Moving to the LCD display. Yes, LCD 7 segment display is one of the basic implementation available in every real-time application. What is this LCD display used for? You can see here it is a 2x16 LCD pin with the 2 lines Okay, 16 characters can be displayed. So what is the main purpose of this? You can see this LCD display and all in the city buses. The scrolled the bus stop and the bus details will be scrolled. You can see in another real-time example of railway station, platform number will be displayed in LCD display. So this is all the real-time application implementation which we see in our daily life. So this LED interfacing with 8086 programming is given here. So you will be using corresponding ports like port A, port B, port C of 8255 for bus connector for communicating, and corresponding to the program. This is the program of this LCD display. So for what is the first need I need to give the input what data I am going to display. So after that I will be storing the data in the corresponding register. I will be calling the delay whenever and what is the time duration I need to display my data, and after that it will be after the delay is completed, it again starts, the loop start executing. So this is the real time example of LCD interfacing. And regarding the real-time application of keyboard display interface, as we have seen in the keyboard display interface, it is configured in the encoded mode as well as decoded mode, either to give the input or display the output. In encoded mode, a binary count sequence is put on the scan lines SL0 to SL3. These lines must be extremely decoded to provide the scan lines for keyboard and display. 328 decoder is provided for this purpose. S0 to S1 output lines of this decoder are connected to the two rows of the keyboard to display the output. Here the output is displayed in 7 segment display, and you can see the corresponding diagram for 8279. This keyboard and display is used for detecting the matrix keyboard key press, which key is at present it is pressed and displayed. You can see the 50 pin head connector for connecting 8279. So the output will be displayed on the 7 segment display or memory address specified in the program. You can see the program, corresponding program for keyboard display. So initialize input. Initially it gets the input, that is either keyboard or display is encoded. Scan the keyboard 2K key lock out mode, and it initialize the prescale count, load the mask pattern and mask other interrupts, enable those interrupts and wait for the interrupt to complete its work. After completion of the interrupt subroutine, it goes to the main program. It initializes the 8279, get the key code, initialize memory pointer to 0.7 segment code, and it initializes the write operation display for purpose of display. It initializes the write operation and get the output in the 7 segment code, display in the 7 segment display. So after completing all, it returns to the main program, and this is the major application of this keyboard and display interface. Moving to the last case study, alarm controller. So here you can see the diagrammatic representation of alarm controller. So this alarm controller is mainly used to select the buzzer, when the buzzer need to be ring and when it need to be stopped. So whenever condition is completed, for example, you can see, take a real-time application. If you can for example, if you are connecting this alarm in a motor, if tank get filled suddenly, whenever the tank gets filled by certain level, the buzzer will start indicating that the tank is going to get filled, and after completion of that particular buzzer ringing, it will automatically switch off the motor. So this is the one of the real time example of this alarm controller. So likewise, fire alarm for indication of fire, that there is a fire in the building, for indicating whether any danger in the building. So alarm can be fixed. Alarm controller can be used in many large scale applications like this. So this is the hardware description of relay and buzzer interface. So you can see here, it is a 20 pin connector. There are 6 relay modules and 2 buzzer modules, and no connection pins are also available in VCC and ground pins. So this buzzer is used to produce the output, and this is the corresponding program to interface relay and buzzer with 8086 trainer kit. Of course, we are using this interface between the processor and the peripheral devices. So whenever I am going to initialize a buzzer, I need to give the input, I need to set the limit, what is the limit for the buzzer to ring, what is the delay for buzzer to ring, how much duration it need to ring, for example 20 second, 10 second, like that I can set the delay. After completion of the delay it will stop the ringing. So this is the one of the major real time application of our alarm controller. So this is about the case studies. So apart from this, our microprocessor and its interfacing devices are applied in many real scale applications. As you can see in this diagram, it is applied in controlling the train, model train controller. It is applied in cameras. It is applied in microwave oven, laptop, mobile phone, washing machine, whatever the device it is. Every real time application devices using in nowadays are all comes under this microprocessor, microcontrollers and interfacing devices. So this is about the third unit, interfacing, IO interfacing. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me and get the details. Thank you.